Best Free Shopify Apps 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best Shopify apps that you can get for free and use them to its full capability with all of its features aligned, okay? And I'm going to be going through the apps with different niches that help you in different ways when it comes to working with your e-commerce store. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to actually go to the apps, what we're going to need to do is we're going to go overhead to our Shopify App Store from here, okay? So simply click on Shopify App Store and it's going to take you straight up to where you need to go. Now, once we're over here, let's get into the applications. So the first application that we're going to be talking about is product reviews, okay? Now, product reviews is Shopify's very own application that they created specifically for Shopify, and product reviews, trust me, is one of the greatest applications that you can get on Shopify. Now, the reason for that is because product reviews helps your users actually get very along with the actual products that you're representing to them on your e-commerce store. Now, the reason for that is because let's say you're on an online store and you're looking for something to buy, let's say a keychain. Now, that keychain doesn't have a lot of reviews, meaning not a lot of people have bought it, okay? Now, obviously, automatically in your brain, you're going to say, not a lot of people have bought it, so maybe it's not good, etc., etc. Now, product reviews help your users to actually get attracted to your product because the more good reviews your product has, the more likely you are to actually sell the product that you have, okay? And that's the best part about product reviews. So specifically, it's called the Judge.me product reviews, and it's going to say built for Shopify. It has around 27,700 reviews for itself, and it works incredibly. It's totally free. You can download it right now and start working with all of its features. As you can see, unlimited email review requests with photos and videos, display star ratings, store and product reviews, trust badges, and reviews carousel. And moving on, you can share reviews on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, engage your reviewers with Q&A coupons and email marketing integrations, and you can also get fully integrated to sync reviews to and from the Shop app via Shopify Meta Object. So it's a pretty incredible application to get for yourself and just add reviews for yourself like this, okay? So that was product reviews. Now let's move on to the second application. So the second application is more surrounded by free shipping. Okay, and this application is called Hexton. Okay, Hexton is an application that gives you a free shipping bar. Now, what exactly does that mean? Basically, Hexton is going to give you shipping, boost your sales, but give it totally for free. So you can promote free shipping with progressive messages to motivate customers to buy more and boost their BFCM sales. Okay, it's a shipping bar that can appear on the top of your store like this. So congratulations, you've got free shipping, and you can give stuff like free shipping for all orders over $100, etc., etc. So pretty easy and pretty basic to use. Again, it's an application built specifically for Shopify. It has a free plan available and it works incredibly. Display messages with progressive shipping goals and boost sales, advanced targeting geolocation, customer page product device targeting. There's scheduling that you can plan free shipping in advance for events like Black Friday. Then you have fully customizable and support all pages, one click to enable, no coding required, and you can auto detect visitors, local currencies, and convert the free shipping amount. Even its plans are pretty incredible. You have the totally free plan, and then you have the $9.99 plan, okay? So even the premium plan, it's pretty cheap. It's the standard $9.99, okay? So Hextem again is an incredible tool that you can use for yourself. The installation process is really simple and again, really incredible for your store's sales to boost up. Now, the third application that we're going to be talking about is called Facebook and Instagram. Now, what is this? Basically, this is a channel for Meta to connect your Shopify to your social media account. And you can use this for various reasons. You can, increase your views, increase your sales. You can actually market your products on Shopify, on the Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Marketplace, and a whole lot more. So basically, you're connecting your Shopify to Meta to help yourself get a good and pretty smooth integration. Okay. So pretty incredible and pretty easy stuff to get your, proper gears running of your Shopify and Facebook Marketplace integrations. And the best part about Facebook and Instagram Marketplace is because they're social media platforms, they have a lot of visitors and viewers on it. And the more the visitors and viewers, the more likely you are to land a sale. Okay? And that's the most incredible part in itself because landing a sale on marketplaces leads to your review section getting a lot higher. And you can actually integrate the first product that I gave you, product reviews, with this, okay? And moreover, you can get things like shop insights, include best performing products, help drive better and performance by setting up a conversion pixel, easily set up your shop, sell from one inventory, and get email and live chat support specifically from Meta themselves. So again, Facebook and Instagram, a really incredible application providing you a total channel between your Shopify and social media platforms. Now, once we've talked about boosting sales, let's talk about an application that will give you good upsells. So, the application that we're going to be talking about is called Upcart. So, Upcart is an application that will give you proper upsells for your products, okay? So, you can add a slide cart with free shipping bar and upsell capabilities. Now, if you don't know what upselling is, basically, you cross sell across different platforms by adding additional revenue for yourself. And that is what Upcart does for you. Again, an application built for Shopify. There's a free plan available. And as we can see, Upcart lets us create a custom on-brand slide card with different upsells and add-ons to boost our AOV. Okay, it's a fully featured card drawer with 4 different plans, and you have the free plan, the $29.99 plan, $34.99 plan, and $54.99 plan. And moving on with the features, you get add-in cart, upselling and cross-selling blocks. You can show a free shipping bar or discount promotion bar. You can let customers know more about your brand, create an add-on option for shipping insurance or other products of your choice, and improve the view card button's visibility with a sticky card button. So that's Upcart, and it will make your products amazingly seamless and give you a slide in cart, which is pretty incredible for customer reward modules as well. As you can clearly see, boost all of your AOV with increased average order value, show multiple offers, custom trigger logic, and AI recommended offers. Moving on, you can also get one-click switch add-on modules. So again, pretty incredible application for your sales and for your store. Now, moving on to one final app, this application is called InstaFeed. Okay, InstaFeed is basically your Instagram. Okay, and what you can do is you can add all of your Instagram shoppables, okay, all of the products you have on your Instagram page to your actual InstaFeed. Now, again, this application is built for Shopify and it works incredibly. You can create customizable slider layouts and create different widgets. Now, this isn't like the Facebook and Instagram channel I discussed previously. Okay, this is totally different because this has nothing to do with Instagram. What this does is it creates tiles and aspect ratios and widgets that we have on Instagram. So you can display custom shoppable Instagram feeds on your store and convert your store visitors into customers. So this is the type of grid layouts you can create for your products, and trust me, they look incredible. Okay, add a little bit of themes, add a little bit of styling, and these layouts will actually scour through your Insta feeds, and they look just like this. And you can make them look more incredible and add different types of themes and styling. And trust me, your product feeds will scour up in the top rankings. So the plan procedure for this is you have the free plan, you have the pro plan for $6, and the plus plan for $19. But obviously the free plan gives you enough. It's forever free and there's no limits to what you do. So yeah, this is InstaFeed, and trust me, To get a really good and aesthetic template lookout for your store, InstaFeed is a must. So for sure, use it and get top rankings in your store. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And also do let me know down in the comments below out of which of these apps are you going to use and which one is your favorite according to its features. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Have a great day, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.